Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel for cosmetic dentistry. My name is Dr. Dave Eshom, and I'm going to be doing a video on the cost of cosmetic dentistry, how and where to get the best fees for porcelain veneers, bonding, or even Bioclear restorations. So there's three things that you should really think about when you're investigating fees or price or the cost of cosmetic dentistry. The first thing you want to think about is the right thing. You want to make sure you're doing the right thing and not doing something that you don't need. You also want to think about really if you're looking for the cheapest dentist or the cheapest place you can get porcelain veneers, because there can be some problems with that. And then lastly, you want to think about the experience of the dentist you ultimately choose, because that dentist is going to be placing something in a very valuable spot on your face, your smile. So definitely want you to think about that. So let's start going over these three things with some examples of patients that I've come across in my daily practice. So here's the first patient, and she has a lot of loss of tooth structure from on the gums, around the gum line of her teeth, and then she's worn the incisal edges from grinding. And other dentists have told her that she needed porcelain veneers to fix this. And it just, when she came in to see me, I was relieved that she came in because she really didn't need porcelain veneers. She didn't need her teeth to be ground down slightly. She didn't need to pay for the cost of porcelain veneers. All she needed was some bonding and some Bioclear treatment. And that's what we did for her. And it saved her a lot of tooth structure. And it probably saved her 2/3 the cost of a veneer. And so here's how her teeth turned out after we were done. They look beautiful. They were done with Bioclear restorations. We did 8 of them from here over to there. And she saved her tooth structure and saved her money. And this is just a great example of doing the right thing to get the right smile, so that you don't pay for something you don't need. So here's her before and afters, and Carol was very, very happy. The next thing to talk about is, the, um, the not looking for the cheapest dentist. If you want someone to do your smile and it's right in front of your face, you don't want to get the cheapest fee. And these crowns were done at a cheap dentist by a patient who also came in me to fix this after she was all upset about the way her teeth looked. The dentist first tried to put crowns on her teeth that matched her natural teeth, and there was nowhere near the match. And so then he thought, oh, well, I'll just grind off the surface stain and it'll look better. Well, you can see that it's scratchy and it didn't help at all, and that he just didn't have the expertise or the knowledge. And when you try to do something that's cheap, you get a cheap result, and you just don't want that in front of your face. And so I redid these crowns, and this is how Patty looked after we were done. And she was very, very pleased and got the whiteness that she wanted. We did a few more crowns on the side so that she'd have a nice full smile and be proud and happy to walk into a room and flash a smile at some new people. So you don't want to pick the cheapest dentist, because you'll get a cheap result and you'll be embarrassed to show your smile. The next case, again, Patty before and after. The next thing to worry about is the expertise of the dentist. And you don't want to go to someone that is not versed in cosmetic dentistry, that doesn't do it every day, doesn't do it every week, and hasn't done a lot of cases. And so you want to check somebody out that has a credential in cosmetic dentistry. The American Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry has a great referral source. And here in San Diego, I'm an accredited member and credentialed by the American Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry. I have over 30 years experience. I do veneers in my office almost every day and have done thousands of veneer cases. In fact, in my office, I have a whole library of cases that from one tooth to full mouth reconstructions that I can show patients that I've done that will give them an idea of what they'll look like. And so you want to go to somebody who's experienced, and you want to make sure that you're happy at the end. If you go and try to save money, you're going to get what you pay for, and you're going to get a bad result. So remember those three things. First of all, do the right thing. Second of all, don't go to the cheapest dentist. And third of all, check out an experienced dentist, and you'll see you'll get the right fee, but that right fee is a value. It's not the cheapest fee that you're going to be disappointed in. So thank you for listening to my YouTube recording, and I'll see you next time.